Hi everyone! In my last comparison video, I used a composition that I had on hand, which mostly involved strings and a smattering of winds. So I thought it was time we compared MuseScore 3's playback with that of MuseScore 4 with MuseSounds for an ensemble with brass, percussion, and choir. Let's listen to it, then we can discuss the changes. Clearly, there is a big difference between these two. Before we get into each section, we have to allow that a large part of the difference is the natural sounding reverb in MuseSounds that brings everything together. However, even when adding some artificial reverb to MuseScore 3 sounds in my video editor, there's still a clear difference between them. My ear is instantly drawn to the difference in the percussion, particularly with the rolls. The new MuseSounds percussion has that great natural rolling sound, where MuseScore 3 just played the hit sound many times very quickly. Anyone who has seen my other percussion videos will know that I'm also a big fan of the taiko, the tam-tam, and the suspended cymbal sound. I do just wish the taikos were properly added to MuseScore 4 as an instrument, which could also include the rim hit sounds. This was a bit of a workaround to name this as taiko drums. And I also just love this quiet bass drum, tam-tam, and suspended cymbal at the end. Provides a lovely atmosphere. I think brass is the MuseSounds library I've been the least impressed with. Not that it's a bad tone, it's just missing some things. I love these upper brass in their staccato, and the lower brass with the chords are day and night compared to the synthy sounds of MuseScore 3. Particularly with the excellent dynamic contrasts that we have. But the melodies just have something missing in them, possibly to do with the articulation. I think they also feel a bit sluggish in the melody lines, especially compared to the woodwind and string libraries. Those are beautiful long tones, but the quick stuff just doesn't really work. The choir sound is certainly different, but I was expecting the MuseScore 3 choir to sound much worse than it did next to the MuseSounds choir. I think actually the balance is better in the MuseScore 3 choir. I'm especially missing the lower bass power from the MuseSounds choir. And I know that sopranos will cover everything in their high range, but the altos need more power in this fortissimo. Especially with accents. I'm excited by the possibilities that MuseScore 4 is offering, and I look forward to the many improvements that are going to be released. To play out this video, here's the whole short track of MuseScore 4 and MuseSounds.